In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and manage view templates in Revit. Let's start by opening the Manage View Templates dialog. Head up to the View tab on the ribbon, and in the View Templates panel, click Manage View Templates. This is your central hub for creating, editing, and organizing view templates so your project stays consistent and easy to maintain. Once the dialog opens, you'll see a list of all templates available in the project. Each template shows which categories of settings it controls, such as visibility and graphics, scale, and detail level. Think of these as the rules that shape how any view looks and behaves. This overview is helpful for quickly confirming what a template governs before you apply or edit it. If you need to modify an existing template, select it from the list to review and adjust its settings. You can change line weights, apply or edit filters, toggle annotation visibility, and set the discipline, among other options. When you're done, click OK to save. Every view that uses that template updates automatically, which is a major time saver and helps eliminate inconsistencies across your sheets and views. A quick tip: make a habit of reviewing one representative view after changes to confirm the results match your graphic standards. To create a new template, click New in the dialog, give it a clear descriptive name that reflects the view type or purpose, then configure the settings you want. When the template is ready, apply it to any view from the Properties palette using the View Template dropdown. The instant you assign a template, that view becomes governed by the template settings, ensuring uniform graphics without manual tweaking on each view. If you want a variation of a template without rebuilding it, right-click an existing one and choose Duplicate. Rename it and adjust only what needs to change. This approach is perfect for creating slight differences, like a presentation plan versus a documentation plan, while keeping shared standards intact. When a template is no longer needed, select it in the dialog and click Delete. Any views that were using it will revert to and keep their current settings at that moment. They'll no longer update if the deleted template changes, which can be useful if you want a view to stop following a global standard. You can always apply a different template later through the Properties palette. That's the full workflow for managing view templates efficiently, so you can keep your project clean, consistent, and easy to edit.